Discover your mountain paradise in Silver Cliff Heights. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers 1,532 square feet of living space on over 15 acres of stunning land, bordered by BLM for ultimate privacy and endless exploration. Located just minutes from Westcliffe, this home provides the perfect blend of peaceful mountain living with convenient access to local shops, dining, and amenities. Cannon City and the Royal Gorge are nearby, and Colorado Springs is only 1.5 hours away. Enjoy breathtaking mountain views and a beautifully landscaped yard with a fire pit and inviting patio, perfect for outdoor gatherings. Recent improvements include a covered carport, a detached garage workshop, and a motorhome pad with water, sewer, and power hookups, making it easy to personalize your space and accommodate your hobbies. The property offers plenty of room to roam, with the high country meadow providing tranquility and the surrounding mountains offering recreational opportunities such as hiking, mountain biking, hunting, and world-class fly fishing along the Arkansas River. Winter enthusiasts can enjoy skiing at Monarch Ski Resort just a short drive away. Make the serene mountain retreat your own. Schedule a showing today. For more information and a private tour, please contact Twyla Giroux at 719-371-4344.